One might think that with people interacting less, due to being forced to work from home since the COVID-19 pandemic, things would be simpler. But the reality is, working remotely carries with it all kinds of unexpected stressors, and sadly, with limited opportunities for real live interactions, remedy and repair can be problematic as well. As we move further into a work world where technology can simultaneously obligate or obscure transparency, where it's becoming increasingly difficult to differentiate between shades of truth and fabrication in everything, from photos, to profiles, to documents, and even integrity metrics, and where experiencing high-touch, live human communication is quickly being replaced by replicas and automation, the remnants of positive people treatment are increasingly important. Further, when there is low confidence related to job security and being able to pay the mortgage or put food on the table, people will often rationalize reduced expectations for social courtesy based on increased stress. This is not unreasonable, but regardless, most people still have to work for a living. And having to encounter incivility face-to-face or online only serves to exacerbate already tenuous situations. As such, the workplace represents either a heaven or a hell with respect to our day-to-day experience. And the reality, based on the research, is that for many people, work is not so heavenly.